Guys, this is my weave. I'm going to go. It's very easy to start it. So hi guys, this is my weave. I'm going to share with you how I style my weave. So this is a very pretty weave. I like it very much. As you can tell, I'm wearing my natural hair now. So I'm going to put on my weave now. So you guys listen to me while I'm brushing my hair. There's a little bit of an ASMR. Tango. So the hair from, you can buy the hair from Amazon. So Amazon is a great comb, is very funny. You may be able to open the comb and shop for 10 and more. So it has I'm going to, so I'm looking for Amazon and other websites to know where to shop for hair products. It's akinnovations.com/hair. Hair you can find where you can find out where you can buy pretty hair from. I'm not beauty.com/beauty. If you're Cravat, 800 Plaster, Rich Body Shop, Douglas. So these are brands. If you live in the United States of America, I take the 50 and make sure to do that. Anyway, if I'm happy with the pattern, just put it on my hair, add a little bit of hairspray. I'm happy with the way it's going to apply a little bit of heat. Looks good, doesn't it? Pretty nice of other. So I'm going to braid the other side of my hair as well. So I like to comb it first before I go ahead and braid. So now I'm going to braid it now. Looks cute. Next I'm going to braid. So I finished braiding my hair, so I use the band. So I just like to share with you how I eat for hairdo. You know, whenever I do not want to wear my natural hair, just I improvise. That's it. That's pretty much it. I'm just getting my earrings. I'll be back. Got it. So if you need help, if you're a woman and you need some hairdressing, so now I'm going to I'll talk about some of my experience. More good morning, arise and shine beautiful. I'm going. Finish washing myself. I'm wearing this lovely. I just used a little bit of this perfume from Guess. It's one of my favorite perfumes. I like it. I'm also going to do how I brush my teeth. Hi guys, I have just had breakfast. I always like to share with you importance of ingesting water. So I've got a bottle of mineral water. So I will eat healthy, eat every day. So this task I'm just going, and I'm going to start with my makeup. I saw that I'm so right. I write a site story Amazon by searching my name, Akine short stories on my short stories on Amazon. You can shop directly from me. My short stories are 10 euros upwards. So if you wish to donate, sponsor me. You have about 2 years now. You can find my stories on Akine page short stories or on Blacknow. That's me slash. If you wish to sponsor my gigs, my Fiverr gigs, you can support my shopping for my short stories on Amazon.com, or you can, request Tiki subcontract. Hi guys, so I'm going to tutor you to revive your old. So if you have an old weave and you wish to you have to use this aloe vera shampoo. It's a dry shampoo. Spray it on your weave, and once you can, so you may use carb shampoo. You can use shampoo from other brands. So I'm just going to say what I've just said in Dutch. Oké, als je weave, stel dat je verkoopt mooi pruiken en het is een beetje oud, lekker meer. Je kunt gewoon deze drukken in Glisschhof of van Schwarzkopf, sorry, Krauwer Schwarzkopf, even wassen, ook kan laten. En als je klaar met je haar vindt het lekker om een beetje parfum, Guess parfum, good parfum, die zijn super parfums, dus te hebben.